Hi, my dear friends. Many friends asking me for the Omillionaire draw prediction. So I am come up with my best prediction, best numbers for this draw, which is drawing on 27th April 2023. If you want to win, please follow this pattern. You should select your numbers according to my this combination. If you want to win, you should select three numbers between 1 to 9, one number between 10 to 19, two numbers between 20 to 29, and last one number between 30 to 44. You should select according to this if you want to win. My powerful numbers for this draw in these serials between 1 to 9, I have 5 powerful numbers. Number 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Between 10 to 19, I have two numbers 10 and 15. Between 20 to 29, I have four numbers 20, 23, 25 and 29. Last from 30 to 44, I have three numbers 30, 32 and 37. So this is my overall prediction for Omillionaire draw. If you like any number or any pattern from it, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. In the end, good luck to all and wait for my next video. That is Mahzooz draw and easy 6. In the end, good luck and goodbye.